What I really love about the work of Hizmet as a Muslim, and I've got to know them over the years, I live in Seattle right now, I'm from Bangladesh, is that this particular group does not just talk about the message of the Quran. You know, I and some others, we rattle off beautiful verses of the Quran, and the many exquisitely beautiful, timeless, precious messages from the Quran. But the people in Hizmet, they're actually living it, not just preaching it. For example, the Quran says that if Allah wanted, Allah could have made all of us one single community. But Allah chose to create diversity in everything, including religions, so that you might come to know the other. And I've seen so many programs of Hizmet doing extraordinary work in reaching out to people of different religions to really practice what the Quran says on a personal level, on a human level, to connect with the other. What we call in South Asia, practice 3 cups of tea. Listen, respect, connect. The other point I would say is that, you know, the Quran, the most used word is Allah, 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 Allah. But the second most used word is ilm, knowledge. And I love the emphasis that Hizmet puts on education. Not only in schools, which is remarkable, but really in raising people's awareness, in becoming a more expansive human being, to open up the heart. You know, the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the ink of the scholar is more holy than the blood of the martyr. So this emphasis, this focus on awareness, on education, on knowledge, on wisdom that is practiced by Hizmet is very close to my heart. Thank you.